Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can get from the gem chest in Great Garden. So you can get it from trading in the latest trading event. So here I'm just going to select show me trade rewards. Let's see what you can get. Gem fruit, clam, coil vine, magpie, Asteris, and the bearded garden. So I'm hoping for those two, but with my luck, I know I'm not, but let's open up the gem chest. Oh, I actually have to take a picture of this first, but it's nighttime. Great. Oh, and I pressed it anyways. Okay, I got the gem fruit. Wow, that's the most common thing ever. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!